Bhaskara II, also known as Bhaskaracharya, was born in 1114 Common Era in Vijay Davida or present-day Bijapur in the state of Karnataka. He learnt mathematics from his astrologer father Maheswara. He headed the astronomical observatory at Ujjain, a leading mathematical center of India. Leelavati is the daughter of Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya wrote Siddhanta Shiromani. It has four parts: Leelavati, Bejaganita, Grahaganita, and Goladhaya. The first part, Leelavati, explains about arithmetic. Second part, Bejaganita, explains algebra. The third part, Grahaganita, deals about the mathematics of planets. And the last part, Goladhaya, explains about the mathematics of spheres. He calculated the time required for the Earth to orbit the Sun is 365.2588 days. The modern acceptance measurement is 365.2563 days. A difference is just 3.5 minutes. He conceived the modern mathematical finding that when a finite number is divided by 0, the result is infinitive. Bhaskaracharya was a pioneer in some of the principles of differential calculus. He wrote Karana Kutuhala, a book on astronomical calculations. Bhaskara 2 satellite launched by ISRO on 20th November 1981